What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Cozy, and be ready because we're gonna dive into another item review. Today we're gonna show the Travis Scott Utopia tee. It's the Ghost tee. I got it back in July of 2023. Haven't worn it yet, but definitely is one of my favorite pieces from the drop. It's not available anymore. However, you can still buy it on StockX. I got it in the size medium. Now, before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next drop. So today I'll be showing the Travis Scott Utopia merch, which came out, like I said earlier, back in July. Type creepy, but fire. I got it in black. They only had it in black. It retailed for $55, so I ended up grabbing this, the Cause tee, which you should be able to see on one of my earliest videos, and the Circus Maximus tee, which I'll be also reviewing soon. So far I got this one and the Cause tee. I tried it on previously. I haven't worn it anywhere outside. However, it does run a bit small, so if you do buy this, make sure you get it in a bigger size. So you have the Ghost in blue. You got Utopia on the side here, little puffer print, you could feel it. Nothing in the back, just blank in the back. You got Utopia right here, size medium. Great cop. The only thing I would have done differently is probably get it a size bigger. As of now, this is what I got. Let's check online and see how much they're going for. All right, this is the Travis Scott Utopia 4T black. They're right now selling small 67 for buy it now, US medium 79, large 70, XL 59, XXL 74. The market is pretty bad right now when it comes to reselling stuff, so you're always gonna, as of now, you'll get it a little bit over the retail price. So this is the spring summer 2023 black, came out July 29, 2023 for $55. And again, this is the front, this is the back. You could definitely get it for a better price if you bid. This is on the GOAT. So you got a medium 103, small 101, XL 77. Great copy. You could really throw some good outfits with this shirt. I like Utopia, fire album. Let's see how much they're selling for through bidding. All right, so for the market data here on StockX, it states, so on March 11th, a large sold for $79. February 22nd, an XL sold for $72. 219 large sold for $60. January 9th, 2024, large sold for $85. So you can get it for like about, let's say, $20 more, which is not bad if you think about it, but then you also gotta add the fees. You can still get it for a good price. If you buy it now, you'll definitely get it for a little bit over what people have been asking. So for a medium is 79. Last medium I see here, I can't even see a medium, it just shows large and XL, and those sold for like about 60, 72, 79, 85. So you can still get it for a good price. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is a great piece from Utopia. Did you like any other Utopia tees aside from the Cause and this Ghost tee? Let me know in the comments below. Let's try this on and see how it fits. Alright guys, so that was the Ghost Utopia 4T that came out back in July. Like I said, it feels a little bit tight right here. That's the only thing. I should have got a large, but I'm still gonna keep this. I'm still gonna wear this. Let me know again, are you a fan of this shirt? Do you like any other Utopia tees? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that wraps it up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch and item review, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.